into our first match of the lower bracket. Down on red, we see one level 4 going up and in, a level 2 going in, and a level 1 for that red alliance. Down on blue, 1626 just misses that level 2 score. Now backing off as those drivers step forward and take controls. It's 23-9 in favor of the 8th-seeded red alliance. Blue quickly springing to life. 1626 working on pulling algae off of that reef for our blue alliance. Rambotics up and into level 4. 70-45 looking to match for blue, and they do slam that down. It just falls a little bit short, falling off of that blue alliance reef. Heading back down to the red side of the field, this number 8-seeded alliance looks to be playing the algae processor game here as 8130, the alliance captain, with that wooden machine driving towards the processor, pushing that in for 6. Oh, it falls just a little bit short of that goal. 41 of our red alliance goes on to level 3 as Pingree Robotics quickly looks to line up for level 4 of that red alliance reef. Red jumping out to a 57-30 lead with just over 1 minute to go. 70-45 goes up to level 4, slowly swerving over, falls just a little short, but that might be in level 1. Rambotics goes into level 4. Blue Alliance team 1626 has headed over to go play defense against this red alliance. 41 swerves around, spinning around the defensive machine. Now working at that feeder station is 2577. Pingree Robotics working to lower that elevator to keep grabbing more coral. However, that is a processor score for 8130, our alliance captain, who now look to be driving around for yet another algae, getting some heavy defense played against them by the 1626 Falcon Robotics machine. It's neck and neck, less than 20 points to go here with 30 seconds left. It may come down to the climbs here at the end. 70-45 up onto level 4. Rambotics onto level 2, both continually running these fast cycles back and forth as 8130 working on getting that algae out of their machine into the processor while being heavily defended by Falcon Robotics. 12 seconds to go. It's going to come down to the end. 8130 spins up and into the processor. Rambotics is parked. Both of those alliances make their way back in park. 1626 parked, 70-45 in at the last second on level 4. The live scores read a 1-point difference at the end of our first lower bracket match. The scores are in for that Alliance taking the win with our number 8th ranked Alliance, winning by 1 point margin, 94-93. Our Red Alliance does move on in the lower bracket, and we must say goodbye to our number 5 seeded Alliance. Let's give a round of applause